Hello, Brett Bean here, and just doing another commentary on another piece I did. I just labeled it Orc Head because it's very original. It's just an Orc Head. And this one was done in Procreate. It's iPad Pro, the 12.9 inch, I believe, Apple Pencil. This is just using the basic pencil tool. I don't get too crazy with the tools and stuff. I use basic ones. So I basically just used a modified airbrush and the pencil tool for 90% of this. I think I messed around with a couple of Max Ulecki's ones, but for the most part I just kind of use the two basic ones because that's what I use in Photoshop. So I do the pencil and then I lay out the basic idea. And then I turn off the pencils behind it, and then I kind of sculpt when I'm drawing something volumetrically to look more three-dimensional. I basically just sculpt in there. So I turn off the pencils because at the end it's never going to have that look and feel to it. And then I just kind of keep working in the big shape. I also alpha lock it. You can alpha lock it by it's just a click in the Procreate, and that way you don't have to worry about going outside of the lines as you're making the image. And then once it gets to a certain spot and I've got my front light and my rim light and my back light, then I kind of get rid of the alpha mask by turning it off, and then just kind of keep re-sculpting and cut. You can see that with a lot of my art I cut back into the image to make it a little bit more interesting and to kind of change a lot of its dimensions. Adding some color. This is another layer. It's basically just 3-layer file, and this is just kind of doing the pencil. I do the big brush out, and then I sculpt away. I basically cut away the shape that I want after I make the big overall shapes. This is just refining the eyes and making a little bit more, putting some extra details. I thought it'd be kind of funny. I didn't draw in the nose bone, but it was kind of fun to draw, and I was just playing with the kids, and we were just watching. I don't remember what show we were watching. One of his young kid show, and they kind of make me brain dead. So I do this as I spend time with him watching the TV, so I can get something out of it, and just kind of do a simple background and just kind of like dirty him up, give him a couple scratches. This is just a simple overlay and just kind of changing up, and I decided a new eye color to kind of make him pop a little bit. Add a little skull because orcs always need skull, and there you go. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. You can support this video and the artist by going to www.shopanddraw.com. Testing, testing, testing. Ooh, 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 yeah.